Hi there, my name's Grant, and in this video what I'm going to do is I want to give you some really cool stock and options trade ideas moving forward as we go into April. So you're going to get that. I'm also going to explain the market conditions and explain why April and certainly May and moving forward into 2025 is going to issue us a lot of opportunity when it comes to options trading. Also, just in the full, so I don't want to waste your time, this video is going to be aimed at more new and beginner options traders. For you advanced guys, this isn't really going to be applicable to you, but if you want to stay and watch the video and get some of my ideas, then feel free. Also, the last thing I'll say as well is I'm by no means an options trading expert. I'm sort of like a beginner, intermediate options trader, but I get all of my options trade and ideas from the research I do, and I leverage tools such as One Ticker Trader, which is this, and other tools to research on stocks and get potential options trade. So I'm just sharing ideas that I've got for you, and sort of like what I'm going to reveal now, it comes from Larry Benedict, who's the owner of One Ticker Trader, and he's a master options trader. He's been trading for about 40 odd years. Also, if any point during the video you want to give options trading a try or get Larry's newest, stock research and latest options trade, there's a link down below where you can join One Ticker Trader for 80% off, but no pressure to do so whatsoever. So let's get on with the video. So Larry, this is an update Larry has given. Technically, I shouldn't really show you this, but got to share the love to, people. So basically the story of the stock market is that there's a massive amount of uncertainty in the market at the moment. Huge amount of uncertainty, and uncertainty creates huge volatility. So we're going to see stocks rising and we're going to see stocks crashing. And this is why options trading is perfect for that, because we can use call options to trade on stocks when their price is rising or we expect it to rise, and we can use put options if we expect a stock's price to fall. So perfect conditions for options traders. So we can really leverage options trading to the max as we go into April, May, and into 2025 and beyond. So here's some stock ideas that Larry has given. So basically Larry's been doing really, really well. This is basically giving you some of the trades he has done that I bought into. So basically the blended gain for this one was 40%. This is the iShares Bitcoin Trust. This has been the best performing stock / ETF. It's basically allows options traders to bet on the price of Bitcoin through this trust. This has been the best performing stock and options trade with a 40% gain in March, which is very tasty. This one is the T-Rex 2X long MSTR daily target ETF MSTU. This one did 53.5% gain in March. These are all ideas for you to watch out for in 19 days. QQQ, which is about even, that didn't do great. There's actually a trade open for that at the moment. iBit May, again, another Bitcoin Trust, 40%. So they did really, really well. So these are the stocks I would pay attention to. iBit, which is the ETF that tracks Bitcoin's price. Keep an eye on QQQ because it holds a lot. The big 7 AI companies, and AI is going to take off big time this year. So that's one to watch. MSTU, and also, again, iBit. So these are the sort of stocks I would watch. Inflation is set to surge, which is going to increase uncertainty more, and it's going to shove stocks down. Inflation is going to be high over the next 5 to 10 years, so there's going to be a lot of volatility. So here's getting into the meat and the bone. So the theme one is the Bitcoin Trust ETF. So this is perfect for options traders because this fund tracks the price of Bitcoin pretty much identically. So we can use options trades to trade this stock. Perfect for options traders because we can bet on the price going up and going down with calls and puts. Theme 2 is Invesco QQQ. So this trust holds the Mag 7, Apple, Amazon, Alphabet, Meta, Microsoft, Nvidia, and Tesla. All of these companies are going big on AI, and yeah, you want to be paying very close attention to Invesco QQQ Trust over the next couple of months. Theme 3 is iShares 20 plus year Treasury bond ETF. So this is another stock to watch. I'm not going to read you everything. Yeah, one to watch. Theme 4 is the United States Oil Fund, USO. Yeah, so the commodities market could, if economic woes go to that. So basically, if the Middle East war really kicks off or there's a big war that breaks out, oil is going to be one of the commodities. It's going to be hit hard. Oil prices will likely tumble. So that is going to be a good play for options traders. Again, volatility. Theme 5 is the SPDR and S&P Home Builders ETF. So this is another theme. And according to Larry, we haven't seen anything yet in the market. Larry thinks there's going to be even more volatility as the year goes ahead. I'm still not convinced the Ukraine war is going to stop anytime soon. And if that ramps up further, especially if Europe go strong into Ukraine, then that war's could potentially intensify further, which is going to cause volatility, potential turmoil in the markets. And whilst, you'd rather not that war happen, if it happens, it can make options traders a lot more volatility because the markets could crash. But one theme I want you to take away is volatility is going to reign through 2025, and all of the shares that I sort of shared with you today are going to be great for options traders. So I would pay close attention to those shares. Now, if you want to get live options trade, I hope you got value from this. If you did, one or subscribe to the channel because I'll do little videos like this. Let me know in the comments below if videos like this are helpful to you at all. And obviously, I'll share what I can with you. Obviously, I can't really reveal the exact trades with this service because obviously this is for paying members. But I just wanted to show you some themes and what's going to happen with the markets going forward through 2025. So hopefully that was useful. Take away obviously the share themes that I've given you for options trades and volatility, which means it's going to be great for options traders who know how to play the game. And my advice, rather than trying to figure it all out for yourself, is to either find a service you're happy with to get options trades from, or the one I recommend and I follow very closely, One Ticker Trader. If you want to join, 80% off, link below. You can read all of Larry's research and get all of his trades direct in your inbox as they come through every month. And I think there's going to be some cracking trades as we go into April, May and beyond. Anyway, that is what I've got for you. I hope you found this video useful and informative, and I'll speak to you soon.